Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to pin a post on your Instagram profile. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Now let's start. So first you have to open or launch your Instagram right here and then go to your profile. When you go to your profile, you will see here all your posts. Now in order for you to pin a post here, all you have to do is to simply tap that specific picture. Tap on this three dots at the top. Then scroll down here and you see this pin to your main grid or pin to your profile. As you can see, it's now pinning. And if you go back to your Instagram, you should see that pin icon at the top of that specific picture. So that means you have pinned that post on your Instagram profile. To pin more, just tap again the picture, tap on three dots, click pin to your main grid, go back to your profile, and you should see that you have pinned that second picture right here. So I think you should pin at least three pictures. I think that is the maximum here on your Instagram profile. And basically, that's how easy it is. If you want to unpin, just tap on the picture again, click the three dots, and then scroll down, and you should see unpin this from main grid. Tap on that, and you have unpinned the picture. So that's how easy it is to pin a post on your Instagram profile. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.